Today, we are cooking.
Wait, do you know how much seconds is left on the hamburger guy?
No, I got 5 stars.
That's just suspicious.
Alright, I'm getting BLT sando.
I'm confused. Any place like
Oven using. And you just ruined my food.
oh wow. Seasonal crates. Crate, dude.
Apron or something.
Wow. An apron. Okay, I can add hairs. Wait, I just ruined my avatar. Oh wait, no, I'm still a crocodile.
Alright. He's just fell. Oh, Owen, look at my cookies.
Let me see the cookie.
Where?
Yeah, very nice. Let me see.
I know. Full 5 stars. Mixing bowl.
We did it! We did it!
Crack. Shake 20 grams.
You might not want to play with you right now.
Wait, what? I have to shake it?
What do you
I need sugar.
Okay,
Grams of sugar. Sugar shaker. Grams of this. Alright, mix. No. I'll do.
I'm taking it, bro. Cookies.
Hey bro, watch
Bro, I don't know how to make. I don't know how to make cookies.
Is the chicken breast in the meat grinder? Is the chicken breast in the meat?
I'm chicken.
That's a chicken patty. Where'd my meat go?
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Oh, not you. Where's a mixing bowl?
Split the chicken patty.
Hey, where's the mixing bowl?
Found a knife.
Now turn it.
Boom, bam, bop.
I was supposed to pour flour. Hold up. Maybe I can just like start it and then pour the flour.
I just got 5 stars on everything.
Stop the cap!
Oh my.
In the frying pan. Funny. Rummy.
Okay. Cooking my spaghetti, Owen. Owen, I'm actually gonna be able to do this. Hopefully. Uh-oh. My thing just went away. I think he left. Yep, he left.
What do I want to make? I'll make MJ's, what's it called? Ramen. Oh, hell.
Macaroni and cheese? I'll take that.
I have to get egg seaweed chicken broth. Where's seaweed, bro? I need.
Someone
Wait, where is?
pouring out the whole tomato soup. I showed it to you.
Shut up. How do I activate this thing? I have to create noodles. Alright, boil the noodles in.
Brother, what's that?
You want me to put the egg in? He's in 4th grade.
I just got 2 stars. Content, 5 stars. Overall.
What content, bro? You're making
I
food.
don't know. He gave me 5 stars for content. I'm earning money.
Alright, so I did this. Now what?
Oh, should I?
I'm still cooking my ramen.
Shut up. There's no new customers coming.
Yeah, because the store's closed, Ilya.
It is?
Man, I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear.
Yes.
Look behind you. Turn.
What the hell? What is
Spaghetti.
that?
You like my spaghetti?
Yeah.
When's the day gonna start? When do we open?
Bro, everything's going in the deep fryer, bro.
Alright, wait, where are... Oh, there's customers! Dumplings, pancake. Oh, I like pancake. Obtain 1 milk. Are you serious?
Bro, pancakes ain't even out.
I need milk.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Wait, how much time do I have?
Store open. Get ready to serve some customers. It's 1 steak and 2 tomatoes.
I put the cracked egg shells in there. Alright, now we blend this mixture.
Yo, where is spaghetti? Where is spaghetti? Pasta, macaroni. Then what could this be?
I'm legally blind. That's my story.
Oh my god, I'm the most blindest person. What?
Keep gone. It was half star.
Oh, I need to gain some energy.
Wait, that's Chris.
Beep, boop,
Oh, and this is Osvaldo.
We're gonna get a blender.
Get an
Yeah,
egg.
Oh my god, someone's taken up the last blender.
Bro, I swear if we have no eggs. How do we have 65 eggs?
Okay, I just blended the 2 tomatoes. Do this on time.
Have you not finished?
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! KO in minute!
Somebody just knocked over my... Owen, was that you?
I'm not losing energy. I'm not even eating anything right now.
Just
I'm
try
coming over, I went to blend. You
locator.
want, look at all my stuff in here.
Ingredient.
Very nice.
No, you better not shake that over it. Nope, nope, nope. I'm out.
I'm try here. Basil. Say create pest. Owen! Like our own server. We have like random kids with us.
Did they like come up to you and like use the salt shaker on your meal?
You
chili-
did! You
or
just
like the
did
chili
that!
flake.
You ruined it.
The dish was already ruined, Andrew.
Really not.
There is no such thing as a perfect dish. Owen, stop! Owen!
Before it was adding flavor. Hey, how you doing?
Good, good, good.
Welcome. We're still not gonna be in debt, Andrew.
Owen, click RB on this plate.
What is this? What are you gonna do with the mixing bowl?
I want to make it soup.
Oh, I'll find a frying thing. Oh, I found it. It's in the deep fryer. My carrot's also in the deep fryer.
You guys, you have to take the orange.
Elliot,
from the-
you should really put it in here.
What?
Where'd your bowl go?
It's right here.
I think you have to like put it in here.
Why have none of you guys claimed orange?
It's pouring right through.
Put it on the stove.
We put it. We cook it. Why is there a carrot?
The carrot's the secret ingredient, bro. What do you think's cooking the soup? Chili flakes. Yeah, we should add some. I want to see the other. It's inside of it. Wait, so
Just click spam Y, spam Y. Alright, what do we do with it now?
I think it's cooking.
Bryn, how are you sprinting?
I'm not sprinting. Bro, I'm a crocodile and you're freaking
Wait.
normal.
I'm gonna add some more baking powder.
Hey, I'm a crocodile and you're blonde.
That's okay.
You're a blonde. You're a blonde,
No.
literally. Ilya, you're wasting the company soup.
Go.
You're gonna lick that off the floor. Wow. Very precision.
Alright, your turn to do yours.
I don't think I can even pick up the
Where do
thing.
I-
Why?
Here, that's yours.
If they ask why it's not, what's it called? Say it's like a secret. You're our 10th out. I threw it. You get this.
Where's the
Try-
oil at?
Try some pause. Try.
What?
Okay. Dang.
I gave this guy the soup.
So let me get this straight. You're gonna give me 0 stars and walk away?
You remember that soup we made yesterday? Mama ratatouille.
I'm gonna. Now I can go give raw fish
I
to
got
all
some
the
locked in.
customers. We are locked in. Anybody
Alright,
want some?
Chicken waffles.
Obtain
Someone wants pancakes. Oh, they're gone.
1 dough.
This guy wants cod fillet raw. Which is exactly.
My waffle burnt. It's now coal. Andrew, look.
Bro.
Oh,
I'm gonna serve this. Owen, I'm gonna serve
Wait,
this.
who is this?
You weirdo.
I'm allowed to have people at it.
Serve here.
Ilya, what did you just carry out on that plate? I'm gonna be honest with that. Look right now.
This guy gave me 0 stars. What's his problem?
Oh, and did you?
Wait, how do I grab it? How do I mold it?
Tomato.
Mold.
We're out of stock of tomatoes. Order on the laptop. No, I need this. I need this. Where's tomato?
Bake
tomato?
hot dog bun in oven.
Sure.
Order it.
Huh. Oh, place order.
Oh wait, I have to go in the cryo. Wait, where's sausage? No, there's nothing over. Alright, deep
Did I
fry
just
it.
get the truck stuck? No, no,
No,
no.
no, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
No, I didn't. Tomato. I said what?
Wait, God, put, no, this needs to go on the plate. Wait, how do you put it? But I'm pretty sure he already left. Oh, another 5 star. Thank you, thank you. People
Archer's like
is, are couples.
Tell them to bring me my money.
30 tomatoes.